Hi, I'm going to show you the procedure of screening done by railway. First, they will check your ticket. After the confirmation of your ticket, they will check your body temperature. If your body temperature is according to their guidelines, then you can able to go and catch the train. After the passing of your screening test, you just need to wait for your train. That's all. So finally my train has been reached. This is Rajdhani train coming from New Delhi going to Chennai. If you want to catch your train, you need to come before 1 hour of your departure time. So this is my train. Let's see what type of facility is given by government inside this train. Because of its price is more costly than a regular price. Let's help her. So here we are. So this is our coach look like. Everything is clean and sanitized. So our train is full, all the seat is full. Let's search our berth. So this is my berth, I got it. Hi, I'm Samuel. This train is totally organized by government and this station is under high security area. No unauthorized person will allow to come in and go out. If you want to know about quarantine center, please check my next part.